Welcome, half-ass viewers. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. We're glad to have you. In one of our last videos, we shared some tips about how to use a 2x4 to help jack up your car. The 2x4 is there to prevent the frame or the pinch points from getting damaged. We got a lot of feedback from that video. Some of it great, some of it not so great. But we did want to share with you some of the better comments and suggestions that our viewers supplied to us. We wanted to share that with you. So here's my trusty floor jack with the piece of wood on the pad, just like I talked about. Watch the other video that I referenced. I'll put an info card here in this video. I'm not going to repeat everything from that video here. But what a lot of people said was, shouldn't use wood. I've never had a problem with it. I've been doing this for 50 years. As long as you use a piece of wood that's moist still and in good shape, and you make sure that the grain runs perpendicular to the way you have it underneath the car, I've never had a problem. But you can always teach an old dog new tricks. And one of the things that people were saying was use a hockey puck, or better yet, a rubber puck that is designed for just that purpose. So I went and got one from Amazon. I will include some links in the description box so you know where to go in case you feel like buying one. But it's got these nice grooves in it, which are designed specifically to clear the pinch points underneath a car. I'll show you what I mean here. So going underneath the car, behind the front wheel, are these areas here. Oh boy, pretty dusty. Must drive through a lot of dust. Anyway, these are the pinch points. You should not lift directly on here because you can bend this on some cars. This car has a reinforced one, so it's pretty sturdy. But on a lot of cars, it's very feeble, it's very fragile. So this rubber puck, again with the grooves in it, is meant to clear that pinch point so that you don't crush it. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that. Something like that. Fits really nicely. Alright, we'll see how the puck has two different depth grooves. Make sure you use the right groove depth for your application. In my circumstance, this one would be too narrow. I'm going to have to make sure this is the one that's underneath the pinch point, or the pinch point on the frame. So make sure the puck is in the center, not off to one side. Make sure it's in the center of your lifting pad, and then get ready to lift. So much thanks again to our viewers who recommended this little hack. It's great. The wood works, but this is better. Our viewers are the best. We've included a link to this lift puck in the description below. If you decide to buy through the link, we'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It really helps support the channel, and we thank you in advance. And if you found this useful, how about giving us a like? It's just one small click for you, but a giant boost for us. See you again soon.